Hello, this is Derek Ward from St. Louis Priory School, and today we're going to take a look at the calendar functions of the Outlook web app. Let's take a look at the calendar section, starting with the left-hand side of the screen. In the top left corner of the screen, you will see a miniature calendar, which you could cycle through the months or the years by clicking on the arrows. Also, you can click on the days of the month to see appointments. Keeping on the left-hand side of the screen, just below the mini calendar, you'll see a list of all your calendars, or calendars of other people that you're subscribed to. You may check or uncheck calendars to toggle the views of the calendars. Also, you can right-click on My Calendars or any other calendar to access options or create new calendars. Let's move to the center area of the window. We have options to create a new appointment, meeting request, or message. We can delete the currently selected appointment or meeting, or go to Today. Moving along the top of the menu, we have options to change how much information is displayed. 1 day, a business week, a full week, or a month. Notice if you select the month view, it changes the mini calendar to a list of months instead of days. Moving along the menu, we have the Share option, which allows us to add someone else's calendar to a review. By default, we can only see people's availability, but they have the option to give us more details if they wish. We can also share our calendar with someone else, change the share permissions if you already shared your calendar with someone else, and some other options which I won't go into right now. The View menu will only be available when you are in day, work week, or full week view, and it will only turn on or off the right pane. Lastly, there is a print icon which will allow you to print a calendar in any view. When creating an appointment, there are two pieces of information that are required: the subject or name of the appointment and the date and time. First, find the subject text field. This is where you will put the name of the appointment. Keep it brief. The next text field is the location. This is a good reminder of where the meeting will be. Further down, you can specify a start date and time, and an end date and time, or you can specify this to be an all-day event, which can still span multiple days. Next, you can set a reminder for yourself. Also, you can specify if this appointment should be shown on your calendar as free, tentative, busy, or away. And you can make the appointment private, in which no one will be able to see. Lastly, you can type more information about the appointment in the text box below. You have formatting options as well. Note: if you click on Scheduling Assistant, it will turn this appointment into a meeting. When you're finished, click Save and Close. Meetings are very similar to appointments in that they have subject, location, start times and end times, etc. However, they do allow you to invite other people. For example, if I wanted to invite Andrea to this meeting, I would type his name, or click the To field and find his name in this list. The Optional field allows you to specify people who are requested to come but are not required. The Resources field is not currently used. The Scheduling Assistant is a great tool which makes use of all users' availability data contained in their calendar. It allows you to add prospective meeting attendants and see their availability together on the same page to look for conflicts. Once you have selected a good time, you can go ahead and click Send, which will send an email to each of the attendants. This gives the participants the ability to accept, decline, or mark their attendance as tentative. Once the meeting has been sent out, you have the ability to track who has responded or not to your request by opening the meeting up again and going to the Tracking tab. Also, you have the ability to send updates to the meeting, which will send the attendees an email specifying the updates. Also, to cancel a meeting, all you need to do is select the meeting and click the Delete button. This will bring up the meeting window, and when you click Send, will notify the attendees that it's been canceled. Thank you again for watching this tutorial, and as always, please don't hesitate to contact us